Right, I have my sprint reports project here that creates sprint reports for GitHub projects. I have a few things I want to change about it, and I thought I'd record a video on me doing that and probably using Copilot or some sort of generative AI to solve this. So the three things I want to change here are there is a CSV report that doesn't have labels. So let's go into one of these completed sprints. Here's the download CSV button. If I download that, it creates a sprint report CSV file. It looks like this. And it doesn't have labels as one of the columns. So I'll be adding that, which I have the file open that I probably need to change. The other two things are I don't want to truncate the breadcrumbs on the project page. So here you can see it's not truncated. That one actually is short enough that it won't truncate it. But here on this page, it truncates it. But for some reason, not on this page. So I just need to fix that. And then the last one is show active completed picker if there are no active sprints. So on this, no sprints found, but there could be a completed sprint, but I can't get to it because the little picker here between active and completed is not available. So let's tackle this first one. Add that to CSV report. So there's a GitHub project class which does the retrieval against the GraphQL API. Here's where the query is built. So I'm just going to highlight this query and then hit leader AA to bring up my Copilot chat and ask it add labels to issues pull requests, because those are the two. Actually, I pull back draft issues as well. I don't believe draft issues can have labels. So okay, so it looks like it's just giving me partial amount of information, which is fine. And also, it looks like it's just pulling back first 10. So I'm just going to grab this code here and bring it over. Let's see. I'll need it here. That looks good. Let's see if it'll let me do first 20. 10 does seem like a lot of labels, but 20, it could happen. Oh, and then this doesn't look right. What's going on? It's the way I copied it. Let me try that copying again. We'll just have to get rid of those line numbers. Sometimes it comes back with line numbers, which is a little weird, but I'll just remove those. There we go. And then I'll put this down here. Okay, that should do. We're going to change this to 20. Same for that one. And we'll quit. So now let's just look at the diff. That looks good. And then I have a job that it can run, and it will update columns with that data. Now, I guess I should have shown the data. But if we refresh this, I have it sorted by updated at, and this is the issues table. So this is one of the issues in the data column, and there are the labels. So that's progress. So now I want to pull those labels out. Let me kill that. Let's see, the app RB, I believe, is where the CSV. Oh no, it'd be in the sprint model. Yeah, here we are. So issues to CSV, and oh, it looks like this got added already. Did I commit that? This line got doubled. Interesting. This is where I want to call labels, but I need to define a labels method here. I'll put it here. And this is where I'll grab ChatGPT to find find the label. So I have a data column called data, and I'd like to get the labels out. Okay, and I just pasted it the data, which is one of these. Okay, excellent. That's looking pretty good. I'm gonna hit Control Y, and that will put it in there and indent it. But I need to test this, so I'm gonna fire up a little console, and I'll say issue last labels. Okay, for an undefined method labels. Where did this get put in? Oh, because I'm in Sprint. Okay, wrong file. I need to go to issue model, and let's see if that still works here. Okay, so maybe I'll ask it again. Content labels notes. Oh, this is simple enough. I can probably look this up. Content labels. Yeah. And then node name. And it says no implicit conversion of string to integer. Is it because it's... All right, I'll throw a binding up pry in here. And look at data. Oh, that's not the right format. So I feel like I'm... Okay. So this was the old format before I had a recent commit that calls 2H on these. So I need to ensure all the data's up to date. I think I just need to rerun the job for all the projects, which should update all the issues. So let me find an issue that has recently been updated. Did I do that right? Okay, and then just look at the ID. We have 1563. We'll say find 1563. Okay, good. So if the data's correct, it will work. So let me let all those projects update. Now, there is a chance that this could be nil, like there could be no labels, I think. So I'm just going to ask it guard against nil. Perfect. That'll work. Insert it. And just need to fix it up. Yeah, I like that. Okay, that's finished. Let's see if this comes back for last. Yeah, perfect. So it updated the issues. So I'll just need to make sure when I deploy that change to prod that, I mean, the job runs every 10 minutes. So I'll just need to make sure it gets ran promptly. They're probably, if this was really prod, if there was a lot of users, then I'd need to write multiple methods to read it or catch if it's in a certain format. Okay, so now I just need to add the labels to that sprint report, which I just closed out of. Okay, this would be okay, but I'm not sure how the CSV will react. I'm going to fire up console or the server, and was it already running? It's already running here. It's already running. Yeah. Okay, and go to a completed sprint. Download the CSV. Open it up here. Okay, That's not too bad. I don't like the array format it put it in, so I'm just going to join it with commas here. Okay. Download again. Um, I guess I could just go here. Okay. I like that. All right. Feature one done. Next, we'll truncate. Let me commit what I have up here. Okay. Yeah. All right. Just those three little chain or four, I suppose. And we'll say feature add labels to CSV report. Okay. And then the next feature was, what was it? Truncate? Yeah. So that's going to be in the project ERB. And I'm sure I call truncate in here. No, I don't. Oh, okay. So this is going to be an app RB because I set the breadcrumbs in here. So if I look for truncate, okay, so I truncate to 20. Any other truncates? Nope. Just check the whole. I think there will be some classes in the views, but I don't call any truncate methods. So that's good. And before I commit that, let's go to here. Excellent. So it's got the whole project name or yeah. Commit that one. Mm, all right, last one. Show completed for non-active or for sprints that don't have for projects that don't have any sprints. That would be the project ERB. And somewhere in here, it's going to say active. Okay, cool. So it's this right here, if paginated sprints. So let's go back to the app RB and look for paginated sprints. So this would be based on if there's any sprints. Yeah, I almost want to just remove this. I guess I'd put it here and then indent, what was I? Or unindent that. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't like the margin there though, but that works. Um, so down here, maybe just add a P tag. Mm, okay, I guess that's not enough. MT2? That's a little better. B. Hmm, I think that'll work. Here's something I could add. um, I was going to grab generative AI, and maybe I should because that's what I'm doing here. But Tailwind UI, I do have a license for this, and I'm sure it has, yeah, empty states. So I don't want to create a project necessarily. Man, these are all pretty complicated. Um, that one's all right. Okay, let's fall back on generative AI here. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this, and I'm using Raycast here. This is just a license to access ChatGPT 4.0 through the Raycast app. If you had regular, you just go to whatever the site is, chat.openai.com or whatever it is. It will work for you. So I'm pasting a screenshot. I'm going to say I'm using Tailwind. Um, this empty state looks a little bland. Can you make it look better? And then I'm just going to give it the I'm going to give it the CSS or the HTML. Okay. Oh, interesting. Oh no, okay. That was like I thought it was adding tabs. No, that's something I've done. All right. New sprint. I'm not gonna add that, but we'll just grab this. Put an SVG in here. Is that what I'm seeing? What's this XMLS? Yeah. All right. So we'll put that there. Indent it. Gonna drop this button though. Oh, okay, and it changed my copy. So let me grab my old copy. Oh, it's got it in here twice. All right, well, let's just see what it looks like. Hmm. I don't know about the info icon. But I do like the no prints found and then like a suggestion here. Um add add a sprint to one of your issues in this project, but I think that's implied. One of your issues. Add a sprint. Maybe I'll put in GitHub. I think it's fine. All right, let's look at that. I wonder what icon I should use though. Let's look for a different Heroicon. Hmm. Like the sprint icon is it's like this weird circle thing. I have it right here. Um Maybe I'll use that. This is what GitHub uses as well. It's like um supposed to represent an iteration. So that was in the projects PRB. And is that a title? Yeah. So this is the SVG. And I'll go to project singular and put it here, unindent it, and go back to this. Oh, it's not centered. So how did he center? Or I'm anthropomorphizing. Oh, I also have a dark text. Okay, good. ChatGPT did too. MX Auto. That's what fixed it. I don't know about size 5. Oh, yeah, I think I like that. And so toggles system appearance. Oh, looks good there. Let's check it in mobile. Looks good there. Okay. I think we're done. Yeah. Let's look at the changes. Oh, did that get unindented? Oh, no, I wanted to unindent that because okay. So that's good. That's good. All right, that's it. This is a feature. Show active completed. Um, Picker on. I had already wrote this down. On project page. And then with Fly, I'm using fly.io as the host for now. Just fly deploy, and that deploys it. Takes 2 or 3 minutes. but then it'll be live. So this need to make sure to run that job to update all the issues immediately, and we should be good. Well, that's it. 20 minutes, 3 features, very small, but a little taste of using Gen AI to fix up some things.